So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a section on Duda website. So first of all, go to Duda, login, then go to your website builder. After that, you can see layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, content, personalized, sell online, blog, store, and many more options. Now there's a few ways you can go on about this. You can just go through the layers and check on sections through there. So if you click on the layers button, it's going to, you can see here some sections that you have. You can straight away go to some other ones as well. So you can see the section, column, and so on. If you wish to add a new one, you can do it by basically right clicking somewhere. And you can see add AI generated section, blank section, designed section, or a column. So you can add a section through there. You can also do that by scrolling down a bit, and once you find this plus sign, so if you hover over two sections, you can see it here, it says add section, so you can click on that and you can see right away what type of section do you want: empty, designed, or AI generated. Now usually I suggest you use design, since it's going to make it easier. If you want to use AI generated, that's okay as well. Empty is fine. I'm just going to show you through there. You can see you get something but not that much to work with, and it's much easier to use a design section beforehand. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.